I'll cut you in half. I'll chop you into pieces and feed my dog. What part of you do I cut first? Where are you? Where are you going? I can see you. I'll catch up to you. Come back here. You will not escape. I'll find you. I can see you. Where are you going? Are you trying to hide from me? I can smell your fear. You will not escape. Run, but you cannot hide. Ha ha ha! Chop, 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 chop. Mommy, it hurts. Please stop, Mommy. I have to kill them all. All of them. Dad, you are the only kind one. Do I really have to kill all of them? Yes, you do. Yes, I do. No one will hurt me. Dad, I'm going to where you are. Ah! Chop heads, chop heads. Dad, I miss you. Grinder will find your flesh delicious, and so will I. I hate you, Mommy. Hate you, hate you, hate all of you. Dad, why didn't you take me with you? Mommy was so funny without her head. Damn you, damn you. Hey, Billy and Samantha, I'm not listening to you anymore. I just wanted to be like you. Dad, I'm in pain. I smell so bad. Where have you gone? Help me. Your liver is for Grinder, and your heart is for me. Delicious. I found you. Ha 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 ha. It hurts. It hurts. Show yourself. I'll be nice to you. If you see Dad, tell him I've been waiting for him to come back. No, Mommy. Dad didn't run away from me. He loves me. Mommy let me leave my room. I want to see the outside. No, Billy. No, Samantha, please. You're hurting me. I made a toy with Billy and Samantha. It looked so funny. No!
With respect to the issue of evil, if I had to say in my opinion, yes, I do believe in evil. I guess fundamentally I'm Catholic. Like most Catholics, I'm not, going to church every Sunday. I should be. But I hold true to some of those tenets about good versus evil. And I do think at a certain point, an individual with a depraved mind can allow themselves to ruminate on evil thoughts and have those thoughts come to fruition. It's like anything else that you dwell upon. And I think you can couple that as well, though, with a tendency to psychological obsession. So they start to ruminate, and because of their neurological makeup, it just gets into a terrible pattern of obsession.
Very interesting, Anne. Okay, we're going to look into the Cheshire Home invasion murders now from one perspective.